A dog and a dolphin become good friends. The dog brings the dolphin to its home and takes great care of it. Then, the dog cooks a delicious fish dish and feeds it to the dolphin.